Hello. In this video, I will demonstrate how to enable auto-managed live streaming service with AMP Media. I will follow this guide. First, please log in your AWS account. As a first step, we need to subscribe AMP Media Server and Enterprise product in AWS Marketplace. Visit its website, click Purchase Options. In this page, be sure every usage-based option is selected. Then go to the end of the page and just click Subscribe. This may take a few minutes. Please wait. After subscription is done, we can continue with steps. In this step, we will download the CloudFormation template. By using this template, we will create our auto-managed streaming service solution. Go to the CloudFormation service in AWS and create a new stack. Upload the file that we downloaded. Click the Next. Now keep these settings as default and just enter the email and password to log into AMP Media dashboard. Forget the interest tag name. Then click the Next. Go to the end of the page and approve the acknowledgement. Then click the Next. Now go to the page and submit the form. AWS will create our stack. It may take a few minutes. After a few minutes later, our stack has been created. In the Output tab, you can find the endpoint URL for your auto-managed streaming service. Before proceeding with this URL, let's check the EC2 and AWS account. As you see, there is no running instance at this time. It will be created on demand. Let's proceed with this URL. In this first run, our instance will be created in a minute. Let's wait. An E2 instance has been created. That means we can reach our service in seconds. Let's wait. Now we can reach the service. Just log into the dashboard. Let's create a WebRTCs on this service. Copy the URL and add the application name live and enter. Allow the microphone and camera usage. Click Start Publishing. Now, play the stream with WebRTC. As you see that, our streaming service is working. I've stopped the stream and closed the dashboard. Now, this instance will be disappeared in a couple of seconds. Let's access our streaming service again. In the second time, it will take around 20 seconds. Our service is ready again. Thank you for watching this video.